I can let my hair grow out a little more. I knew I was having anxiety. I feel like I'm having anxiety. I didn't know I would be this sad to cut my hair. I can see myself trying to put my hair in a ponytail immediately, and that's part of the problem. Like, I'm a ponytail girly at heart. Oh my babies. I think I'm gonna really like my hair being short. Maybe I should start from the back. I'm not used to having short hair. I think this will be my last time. Cause my other big shot wasn't the same. Because I was just trying to transition. I don't know why I thought this would go fast. I don't know if it's me, but the scissors just sound so loud. Like, why are you yelling? Oh my gosh. I don't think I even have anything to style. I may as well go bold at this point. My arms hurt. I'm tired. My shoulder hurts. This is labor. I feel like this is a whole complete different look from what I'm used to. Can I pull this off? I look like Angel's daddy. Except I have a pin ahead. I don't know why I thought this would take like 10 minutes. I feel like I just want to be done with it so my hair can start growing. I have a peanut head and here I am cutting my hair. This is so sad because I really love my hair. It's very important to me. For when I'm never cutting my child's hair. I still feel sad. I don't know how I'm gonna feel when I wake up. I also want to see how I'm gonna style it. Oh my gosh. I think after this I'll probably just go cuddle with my child. Ouch. Ugh. Is this the last one? Oh. One more.
You still look so good.
Wow, Alice.
Just can bring it actually to the, oh my god.
Yeah. Looking at mommy? You looking at mommy? I cut my hair. So now we can't shake our hair no more. But it's gonna grow back. Hi, Mom. I cut my hair.
Hi. Where is she?
Mom, are you focusing on Angel?
You got here?
Mom, what do you mean?
It's nice, pretty. Oh my gosh. I'm jealous now. I'm gonna cut mine.
No, don't cut your hair, girl.
Then why did you cut yours?
Hey, Siman, let me see my niece.
I'm confused.
Hey, Angel.
Mustafa, I called you because I cut my hair.
What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? What did I do
cut my hair. I don't know if I can call anybody else. My phone's on 1%. It's dying. It's dead.